Maintenance work on air conditioning systems may only be carried out by certified and trained technicians. The appropriate safety instructions and manufacturer's specifications must be observed. To check the function of the air conditioning system, attach the AC service unit and perform a function test. To do this, connect high pressure and low pressure sides and open the couplings on the service hoses. Start the engine and switch on the HVAC system. If the performance test gives a negative reading or, as in this example, the compressor is damaged, it must be replaced. However, the refrigerant must first be evacuated from the HVAC system. Dismount the compressor. To do so, remove all the attached parts, such as the drive belt, and examine them for wear and damage. Caution! Refrigerant dissolved in the compressor oil can still release gas and cause an increase in pressure in the circuit. The system may only be opened once the HVAC system has been fully depressurized. In the case the HVAC system has been contaminated, it must be flushed. The rinsing process should always be performed against the direction of flow. The expansion valve or throttle, filter dryer and compressor cannot be flushed. They must be bypassed or removed and replaced after rinsing. Before the new compressor is installed, the correct oil filling quantity must be determined and adjusted. When exchanging compressors, only use new compressor oil approved by the manufacturer. Loosen the oil drain plug and discharge all of the oil from the compressor. Manually rotate the driveshaft. Measure and compare the quantity of oil collected. If necessary, top up or reduce the oil quantity in accordance with the vehicle manufacturer's instructions. Reseal the drain plugs afterwards. Turn the compressor upright for approximately 3 minutes so that the belt pulley is facing downwards in order to guarantee optimum lubrication of the shaft seal. To distribute the oil evenly, manually rotate the compressor in a horizontal position at least 10 times. When the rinsing process is complete, replace all of the gaskets on the opened connections and coat them with fresh compressor oil. During the installation, adhere to the assembly torques specified by the vehicle manufacturer for the assembly screws and connection lines. Install the disassembled parts in reverse order. Before the system is filled, it must be evacuated in order to suck away any residual air and moisture. The leak tightness of the HVAC system is also checked during this process. Afterwards, when filling using the AC service unit, adhere to the quantity and type of refrigerant prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. To ensure smooth operation of the air conditioning system, the cabin air filter should always be replaced. Starting up following successful filling. Let the engine idle for 2 to 3 minutes with the HVAC system turned off. Set the temperature to the lowest setting and the blower to at least medium. Turn on the HVAC system for 10 seconds, then off again for 10 seconds. Repeat this process 5 to 10 times. Carry out a final performance and functional test of the HVAC system.